Good morning students, I am Miss Veronica and today in this session we are going to learn subject English of class LKG. Our lesson is lesson 12 and our topic is use of this. Today we learn about use of this. So use of this. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? In Hindi we say yeah. Okay? Hindi yeah. So the word this is used to indicate the things which are near us. Okay, the word this is used to indicate the things which are near us. Okay, understood? So this का मीनिंग है यह. तो जो वस्तु हम लोग आसपास में रखे रहते हैं, हमारे आसपास होता है, तो उस समय क्या यूज करते हैं? यह. और जब वस्तु बहुत दूर रहता है तब क्या यूज करते हैं? वह. That means the things which are near us we indicate with this, and things which are far away that we indicate with that. Okay, so today we are going to learn use of this. So we will see the usage of this. So here some pictures I have drawn and sentences I have made, and here I have left for you dash. So we together will see and do the exercise. So suppose this is water bottle. It is near me, isn't it? This is near me, so I can say this is a water bottle. Okay, and this is the pen. So it is with me or near me. Then I can say this is a pen. Next, this is a pencil. Okay. Suppose this pencil is far away or somewhere. Then that I can say that is a pencil. So pencil is with me or near me, then I can say this is a pencil. Okay. So we'll see the exercise. Dash is a ball. That means ball is somewhere near us or with us. So we can write here this. This is a ball. What is the sentence? This is a ball. Next one. Dash is a hat. Dash is a. So this hat also is somewhere near us or around us. Okay. So here we will write this. This is a hat. In Hindi we will say यह एक टोपी है. Above this one we will say यह एक बॉल है. मतलब this is a ball. यह एक बॉल है. This is a hat. यह एक टोपी है. Next one, that is a book. Okay. Book is somewhere near me or with me. Then I can say this is a book. Okay. This is a book. So here what shall we write? We will write this. We will not write that. We will write this. This is a book. Suppose book is somewhere far away to me. Then I will write that is a book. So book is with me or near me. So I will write this is a book. This is a book. Next one, that is a pencil. So pencil also is near me. So I will write this is a pencil. This is a pencil. What is this? This is a apple. So I will write here this. This is an apple. This is an apple. So I hope you have understood. You will go through your book and we will see once more. Okay. This is a ball. This is a hat. This is a book. This is a pencil. This is an apple. Okay. So today we have learned the uses of this. This means in Hindi, yeah. So the word this is used to indicate the things which are near us. Okay children? So I hope you have understood. Go through your book. It is our lesson 12, use of this. So that's all for today. Thank you.